One thing you really want to make sure that you do is that when you hang the rest of this, because we're going to hang the connector pipes between the mid and the exhaust now, so clearance is a big deal. So in my F32, I had when I put in the Active Auto Work exhaust, I had one of the pipes that wanted to rub on one of the struts, and I had to make sure that it was in the correct orientation for clearance, that it had just enough on top and just enough on bottom, that when I tightened everything up, it had space and didn't rub. Make sure that when you install the rest of this, that you have clearance and you don't have anything rubbing, because that would really be a bummer. It would be addressable and you could fix it, but it would be a bummer to have to do it and listen to it while you're driving your car around. So right now it's resting on that mid pipe, or resting on that mid strut, excuse me, that cross brace right there. So I'm gonna get the two other pipes and we're gonna look at connecting our ball joints right here, or our ball connectors right here on either end, and our clamps at the muffler, and we're almost done. So make sure that you get this bracket on the right direction, because the top of this clamp only goes one orientation. So this being the motor side, this being the exhaust side. And so with both of these sections, you want to make sure the bracket's in the right orientation. It can be hard to get these off and on. So if you've got it reversed or in the wrong orientation, you have to take it off again, which is really a hassle. So you can see that the cup in this, that it's pointed the right direction. So we're going to install the driver's side first, and then the passenger side. We'll use the ball clamp at this end, and we'll tighten it down just snug for now. And we'll install the hanger with the 13mm, and then we can use the clamps at the other end to connect it to the muffler. But we're going to install both of these pipes first. I'll show you that.